So it's great to be here at ESC 2023 with an amazing energy all over the place. People are really enthusiastic about our products, about our technology, about how we can help them bring this technology to life in their clinical environment. And one key aspect to do that is to have them have their hands on our products, especially sessions like in our Philips workshop where the clinicians can have their hands on multimodality imaging and play with the workstation and see all of by clicking and going into the interfaces themselves, get familiar with the system in just an hour, really giving them the taste of what they could do. So having this hands-on approach is super important. In the exhibit, they can put their hands on the system, on the ultrasound, they can scan with a biosimulator, so they really can see all of the real aspect of using the products. So in the scientific session, in the workshop, the Philips people are there listening to the customers and really making sure that we use our innovations to make their life simpler by easy interface, user-friendliness in the products, and I think this is what's the most important to help those clinicians bring it to their patient.